Hey guys, so I want to make this quick video of a problem regarding iPhone 12 which I recently encountered. So a quick disclaimer guys, I love everything about my iPhone 12 except obviously this issue. I love the boxy designs, as you can see. They have flattened the corners and it feels nice in the hand and it is grippy as well. Also it's very nostalgic as it reminds me of my old iPhone 4S, which was my first smartphone back in the days. As you can see, it's quite similar. Overall, the flat design, I like it very much. So now let's continue with the video. So no, I have seen on YouTube also, no big YouTuber is talking about this issue, but this is a huge issue in my opinion, and I have been using iPhones and other AMOLED products for quite some time, but I have first time faced such issues in an iPhone. And to tell you my past, I was using iPhone 10 before this one, which also had a Samsung made AMOLED display, but that phone had a very nice display and I didn't encounter any issues. So the problem here is that I'll show you later that the display has a yellowish or greenish tint. I don't know how much it will be visible on the camera, but it's quite annoying in real life. Also, sadly, I have sold my iPhone 10, so I cannot show you the comparison side by side, but I do have my older iPhone 7 and my iPad Pro 12.9. I know they are not OLED displays like iPhone 12, but that should give you a benchmark of a white color to give you some perspective. Also, guys, I want to tell you that this problem is not alone with my phone. I have also went to several Apple stores around the city and checked with other iPhone 12 and even the 12 Pros, and all those also had the same color tint issue. So this is what Apple has done this year with the color calibration of the iPhone 12s. Even the Apple guy at the store was agreeing to this issue, but he couldn't do anything because my product was not faulty. It was the iPhone calibration this year, which is like that. So he said I can't do anything, which is fair on his part. But I want to highlight this fact as I have told no other YouTuber, big YouTuber is highlighting this point. Only Erica Griffin, which is a big YouTuber, has made a video regarding the color temperature of iPhone 12's display. So I recommend you also go and see that video after watching this. And also one more YouTuber has highlighted this color tint issue, which I'll also link in the description. So do see that. And I want to say that most of the people won't notice this issue, but those who use other devices, OLED devices, or have used OLED devices in the past will surely notice the difference. Even if you compare side by side with last year's iPhones, you will see the difference. And many users have complained online in various forums, and when I researched on Google, I also found various users even on Apple's forum and Mac rumors and Reddit were complaining about the same issue. So it's not isolated or it's not country specific. And guys, I want to mention that display is completely factory calibrated and I have turned off all the true tone and night shift settings. So keep that in mind. Let's start. And here we have iPad Pro 12.9 on the left and iPhone 12 on top right and iPhone 7 in the bottom corner. So as you can see right off the bat, iPhone 12 display is yellowish. I don't know how it's looking the camera. I think it's looking pinkish, but I can see it is very yellow in real life. And guys, again I want to highlight that all true tone and everything is turned off, as you can see here. So because many people will say in the comments that turn off the night shift and true tone and it will get better, so I am showing you that everything is off and all the settings are same on all the phones. Obviously iPhone 7 doesn't have true tone, so that's your accessibility shortcut. So no color filter is enabled, as you can see. And guys, I quickly want to take a pause and I want to tell you that I reached out to Apple support also, and shared the problem with them, and they told me that I should go to settings and then in accessibility, and under it we have display and then color filter option, and then I switch it on and I should see if any of the color profiles is adequate according to my liking. So basically they were accepting that the display may have color calibration issues, and they were expecting me to manually calibrate the colors of the display. So that was the whole deal. Then again I did it, and the colors were a bit better after calibrating it myself under these settings, as you can see in the video as well. But I found out that the display brightness had gone down after turning on the color filter. So it is not a foolproof solution, and it did not serve me well, so I turned it off. And as you can see, I am changing the colors, and you can set it close to white like on my iPad and my iPhone. But it is not a correct solution, and the factory calibration which iPhones are known for their correct accurate display goes out of the window. And now let me show you how this issue affects your day-to-day experience, because you won't be viewing white backgrounds that often, but in pictures where you have white objects, like here my car is completely white as you can see, but on iPhone 12 it is yellowish, or in the video you can see it's pinkish, but in real life iPhone 12 is displaying it as yellow. iPhone 7 and iPad display is very close, and as you can see here my another car is also white, and here also as you can see, let me zoom in, and now you can see the color difference. And guys, I'm only showing you on white objects because it will be easier to show on camera the bad display of iPhone 12, but this issue affects almost in any circumstances and with any colors, as skin tones also tend to be yellowish or greenish, and if you color correct or edit photos on your iPhone, this can be a huge deal, and it is a issue for me as well. And notice the part of this video with these three devices, it's completely uncut and it's a single take, so there is no option or occasion of me tampering something. I am showing you the reality which is there with the iPhone 12. And this may seem like a small issue, but for people like me who notice it and who have other devices to compare with and use other devices simultaneously, this is a big deal. And I also edit a lot of photos on my phone, and I preferred iPhones earlier due to their color accuracy, and this is a big deal for me, and I bought this phone for a lot of money, and that's why I'm really upset with my buying decision for going with iPhone this year. Now let me show you how True Tone does look on iPhone 12. So let me enable it, and as you can see, after enabling True Tone it's even more yellow. So that's your True Tone. So guys, that was it for the video, and comment down below if you are facing the same problem and ended up on this video while researching about the same, and I will give some links in the description. You can read more about the issue there and can find more users who are noticing the same issue on their devices, and maybe Apple can fix this issue in a software update, who knows. So let's see, wait and watch, and till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching the video.